Here's how you can build a blog without WordPress in 2025. If you want to start posting up blogs and want to know how to create it in 2025 without using WordPress, this is how you can do it completely for free using an AI tool. Just go onto your Google browser, or it can be any browser that you're using, and search for Type Dream. Once you're on the website, you'll need to create an account. You can sign in with your Google account or just add in your email and click on sign up. In signing up, you'd asked how would you like to start? Do you want to plan your site with AI or start with a template? You can choose both are easier. I'm gonna go with template. Next, you'll need to choose what do you need to do on your site. Here, click on blog and click on continue, although you can select as many of them as you want. Now that you need to choose a template, you'll see the final option from the left bar menu would be blog. Now you're on the blogs page. Here you can select any template that you want to use for your blog. For example, I'm going to use this one. Just click on it and click on use template. That was the home page of your blog. Now you'll need to choose if you want any other pages or not. If you don't want any other page, just click on build my site or just select the pages that you want to add. For example, I'm going to add a couple like feature, a product page, about me page, and an about us page. Click on build my site. As you'll see, the Type Dream will now starting to build your site. After just waiting for a few while, you'll see that all workspaces has a new workspace in it, and that is your new website blog. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see your whole blog here. You can edit it if you want. You can post the pictures if you want to do so. You can edit each and everything about your site or your blog here. This is how, using Type Dream, you can create a blog without using WordPress in 2025. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe and like this video.